In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize the powerful AI tool, ChatGPT, specifically using the GPT-4o model to conduct a comprehensive analysis of Apple stock. This guide will take you through the process of gaining insights into one of the most renowned companies in the world using ChatGPT's capabilities. First things first, you'll need to open ChatGPT 4o. Head over to chat.openai.com and select the GPT-4o model. Once you've done that, you should start a new chat. This is going to be the platform where we execute all of our detailed stock analyses. This interface is user-friendly, making it very easy to interact with and obtain the information you're looking for. Let's dive into getting a stock overview for Apple. Begin by instructing ChatGPT to act as your stock analyst. For example, you might say, "Give me a full overview of Apple, AAPL stock." This should include a business summary, current market position, competitors, as well as recent news as of 2025. What you're looking for here is a holistic view of Apple's standing in the market, including what they're doing well and where they might face challenges. This context allows you to get a sense of the company's foothold, how it's navigating its industry, and how external factors might be influencing its performance. After you have a general overview, it's time to delve into more specifics by analyzing Apple's financial performance over the last 3 years. You can ask ChatGPT to analyze Apple's revenue, profit, and growth in this period. The key here is to look for trends in these numbers in simple terms. What are the patterns? Are revenues growing steadily, or are there dips and spikes? Does their profitability align with these revenue changes? Understanding these trends will help you determine if Apple is performing strongly or if there are red flags that might suggest otherwise. Next, you want to compare Apple with its formidable competitor, Microsoft. You can ask ChatGPT to create a table comparing both companies in terms of their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and risks for the year 2025. This side-by-side comparison will give you a clearer picture of where Apple stands in relation to Microsoft, helping you to understand their competitive edge and potential challenges. Lastly, consider the risks and strategic insights for potential investors. If you're a beginner investor, it's crucial to identify key risks. Ask ChatGPT to outline 3 risks you should know before investing in Apple stock, as well as some safer alternatives to consider in 2025. Understanding these risks and considering alternative investments can help you make a more informed and cautious approach toward investing. By following these steps, you'll not only gain a thorough understanding of Apple's market position and financial health, but also be equipped with valuable insights to make more informed investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.